Hi guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to use my new mobile preset. You guys have been requesting for it and I've finally decided to put together a new set of presets which I just think are like perfect for any situation. So before we start, I just need to clear up a few things. You need to download the presets to your computer first and then transfer them across to your phone either via AirDrop, email, or a Dropbox link. The files that you need to transfer across are the DNG files, which are a digital negative file basically, and they'll store all the data with the presets built into them. Okay, so let's just show you what they look like once you've installed them to your phone. When you download them to your phone, they will turn up like this, and it's a blank screen. So don't stress, it's okay. Once you go into the Lightroom app, it'll work it all out and it'll come up as an image. So we're just going to go into our Lightroom app here. Now I've already created the folder. However, you need to go across to albums, press the plus sign, and we're going to create a folder to start with. And we're going to title it Kjtilse Wanderlust Presets. All right, let's pretend I've done that. So it's here, we've already created the folder. So we're just going to click into the folder now. So now we need to make 2 albums. So once again, I've already made them earlier. But for this tutorial, we hit the plus sign, we're going to go into albums, and we're going to title one of the albums as photos. I've already done that. Once again, make another album for presets, click album, title it presets. Cool, already done it, so that's good. So now we're going to go into the presets album, and this is where we upload the DNG files, and basically this is where the presets will be held. We go down up into the top corner here, hit the 3 dots, and we're going to go add photos. We're going to click add from camera roll, and there you have the DNG files, nice and easy. Select all of those, click add photos, and there we go, they've popped up. Every single one of them is titled so that you can remember. So we have fashion blogger, we've got Bluebird, we've got Clean Edit 2.0, which in my first set of presets we had Clean Edit, Mountain Range, Portrait, Snow Lux, Muted Summer, Tropics, the Pacific, Traveled, and Sunshine. All right, so let's just go out of this. So now we're gonna go into photos, and this is where you upload your photos that you want to edit with the presets, okay? So I've already uploaded this one into the folder. Sarah with the car and the dog at sunset, lovely. And we want to add one of the presets to that. So for this one, I'm going to let's pick Muted Summer, okay? I'm gonna go up into the top right-hand corner again and click the 3 dots. I'm going to click copy settings. Now, usually it'll have white balance selected, but I want you to select white balance off because within a camera, it has its own auto white balancing built in, and it usually does a pretty good job. So you only need to tweak it if you feel you need to. Okay, so I've turned that off. We're gonna hit OK. We're gonna go back again, and we're gonna go into the photos album. We're gonna click on the photo that we wanna add the preset to. We're gonna go up to this top right-hand corner again, hit the 3 dots, and we're gonna click paste settings, and boom. There's the preset added. So as you can see, that's the before, this is the after. I'm not exactly perfect with that. So as you can see, as I zoom up into Cezzy's face there, she looks a little bit muted and like her skin looks a little bit dead. So I wanna warm it up a bit. So I'm basically gonna go down to the corner here, hit color. You may need to do slight adjustments just because the presets will react differently depending on the image that you've taken. So right now I'm just adding some more warmth to the image. And I'm gonna hit around 7,000 Kelvin. Around there looks pretty good. That looks nice and warm, looking a lot more summery. We're gonna go into light. I think it needs a bit more contrast. I'm just gonna add a little bit more contrast. That's looking better. And then I think I might make it a little bit more moody and just darken it just a little bit. Cool, and maybe turn the highlights down just that little bit more to really get those rays popping through. Lovely, cool. And there you have it. So this is the before and this is the after. So that was just a quick mini tutorial on how to use the new Kjtilse presets. Go across to my website, the link is in my bio, download the presets, and happy shooting, guys.